Takeaway from the conference, I'm going to tell you, it realigned, right? And put the important things back to being important. Sometimes, especially me, I can get so caught up in just the regular things that we keep accountable, and it's looking at the big picture, not just what's in front of you. So one of the biggest takeaways, man, I really liked what the e-process people said. Make my CTAs more customer friendly. Make it mirror my sales process. Distractions are the things that need to be out of the bucket.
Do you like the content? Well, if you want more, then you need to sign up for Bradley On Demand, the world's best virtual training platform in the entire automotive industry. With some of the top speakers, salespeople, and trainers, and almost 7,000 training modules. You will sell more cars more often and more profitably. So sign up now at www.bradleyondemand.com.